Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to check whether a journal is Scopus indexed or not. So let's follow the steps. First of all, open any search engine and search for the Scopus. Click on the Scopus website. Now look for the information of the journal that you are going to check whether it is a Scopus indexed or not. For example, this is a journal named International Journal of Business and Management Invention. Let's copy this journal name. Now go to Scopus and scroll down and click on this View Journal Rankings. In Title section, paste the link of this journal, that is International Journal of Business and Management Invention. Click on Find Sources. Scroll down, and you can see that no sources were found. It means that this journal is not a Scopus indexed journal. Now check another research journal, that is Journal of the Business Research, and here are its following information, that it's about the business, marketing, and ISSN number, etc. So simply copy the name of this journal. Go back to the Scopus and paste it in Title section. Click Find Sources. 23 results found, and you can see on the very top, that it is a Journal of the Business Research. Click on it, and you can see the ISSN number. Compare both ISSN numbers. So it means that this Journal of Business Research is a Scopus journal. Thank you for watching.